Alright guys, today we're going to do how to check your oil. Now this video is specifically going to be for people who haven't done it before, who no one's ever showed them how to do it. That's who the target is for this video. First thing you're going to need for your car is your owner's manual. What I'm going to show you is going to apply to most vehicles, but you'll want to consult your owner's manual to make sure you're doing it the right way. By the way, check out the font on this 2003 Buick manual. How cool is that? So in the front you'll find an index. Actually, I'll show you that. In the index here, you'll be able to see service and appearance care, checking things under the hood, 510. And just after checking things under the hood, we are here. And they give you an engine compartment overview. This is going to show you everything you need to know where you need to check stuff. Alright, so we know where our dipstick is now. The next page, oh actually I forgot to show you guys. Checking things under the hood. It'll show you where the hood release is, where to put your hand under the grill, and what the lever should look like. Most owner's manuals should do that. So we know where our oil dipstick is. It'll let you know if you get on the dash, if you get low oil, you should get a warning light. It gives you a picture of the dipstick here, and then here's a picture of the cross-hatched area. And it tells you when to add. If you get below the cross-hatched area, you're going to add oil. And again, it's a good idea to check the engine oil every time you get fuel. That's a bit much, but in order to get an accurate reading, the oil must be warm and the vehicle must be on level ground. So there you go. And then it gives you some explanations here if you want to run 530 or 1030 weight oil, depending on the temperature you're typically operating in. But yeah, that about covers it for the owner's manual side of things. Alright, if you're not sure how to open the hood, the owner's manual will show you that too. On most vehicles, it is under the driver's side area. On the Buick, it's right here. Some have it under the footwell area here, but it'll be clearly marked with a hood symbol similar to that. Pull it. And then under the grill, you're going to have another latch somewhere. You can usually feel it with your fingers. In the Buick, it's right here. Just push it one way and lift. Alrighty. Now I'll reference back to the picture from the owner's manual, and we can see where they had it labeled. Almost all oil dipsticks are going to be yellow like this, so they're easy for you to find. Okay, so I have moved the vehicle over for some more level ground. We're just going to get the dipstick out. We're going to use our paper towels, make sure we don't drip any. We're going to clean what's on there off. We're going to put it back in. Make sure it's all the way in. Pull it out again. And we're just above the full line. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but so I just changed this oil so it's pretty clean too. So that's exactly what we want to see. And we'll just put it back in, make sure it's secure, and you're good to go. If you needed to add any oil, you'd add it in here. Most caps tell you what type, but your owner's manual also says. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Stay positive. See you in the next one.